Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to Linguistics and Literature. Today's video is gonna be very interesting. It is about auditory phonetics. You know that auditory phonetic is one of the types of the phonetics. It is very interesting topic we will be discussing today. Before that, I would like to request you to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe. Thank you so much. Now we will start. Auditory phonetics. Auditory phonetics is the branch of phonetics concerned with how speech sounds are perceived by the listener. You know that there are three types. The two types are already discussed. In this type, it is auditory phonetics. It is auditory. You know that it is audit means listening. Auditory means listening to someone or listen. It's related to listening. So, how do you think or perceived? How do you perceive a sound? This is what the study of auditory phonetics. It focuses on the hearing mechanism, the auditory pathway, and how the brain processes the interprets sound signals. This area of study explores not just the physical properties of sound but also the psychological and neurological responses involved in sound perception. This is called auditory phonetics, means what is the sound, how the sound is perceived by someone, how someone thinks about the sound after hearing it. Like, this is the study. In auditory phonetics, researchers study how listeners distinguish between different sounds, including how they perceive differences in pitch, loudness, and timbre. Like according to the researchers, the auditory phonetics is related to the listeners, and it distinguishes between different sounds. One thing means including how do they perceive differences in pitch, what is the pitch of the sound, and loudness, how loud is the sound, and what is the timbre of the sound. This field also looks into factors like hearing impairments, which may affect speech perception, and how listeners can still understand speech in noisy environments. This is called the auditory phonetics. Key areas of interest in auditory phonetics, like when you know about the auditory phonetics, we should know about all these things. Frequency and pitch, how the ear detects variations in sound frequency. This is what frequency and pitch. Intensity and loudness, how volume is perceived. Temporal aspects is third one, how the timing of sound waves influences perception. This is temporal aspect. Understanding auditory phonetics is essential for improving technologies like speech recognition system, hearing aids, and linguistic studies on how different languages use sound. This is all about the auditory phonetics. I hope that you people have understood. If you are new to the channel, again I will request you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.